See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Nigeria, not be Nigeria, not be your country. Oh. You don't have a country again. No, this is maybe you not get country again. No, this country not be for you. Oh. Maybe you know where you belong. Nigeria is a bandit country. Country will be say bandits go come online, go make video well, call brother for TikTok, AK-47. They tell you say see me for here, what you go fit do. Government not go do anything. But if me will be ordinary citizen, come online, come make video, condemn the action of the bandits, criticize them. They go grab me, come my location, call lock me up, show me for life imprisonment. And you feel say by now, if you see the say social media post and talk of some Nigeria problem, you are deceiving yourself. When I see many of them, they pressure people like the video, go and talk about Nigeria. If you notice for the past how many days, I never feel post. I'm not going to post because I'm not even happy. Life hard though. Life they very, very hard. You know, this life hard though. It should be like this as I tell you like this now. You know the amount of evil things where they go on for Nigeria at the same time, they are too much. Kidnapping, killing, terrorism, many things at the same time. The thing is too much. It should be like the way I tell you like this now. I get you know the way family they go church. Now full family they go church. Oh. Maybe your mama, papa, sister, siblings, everybody fit go church. Now let's imagine on a good Sunday, today na Sunday now. I not go church now, but my father, mother, and sisters and brothers, all of them go church. You call you say they buy everybody for that church. As you come back from where you go, you call discover say your family will go church. They buy all of them for that place. What type of life you say you won't live again? If you like get the full world, that life not go feel sweet you again for this life. Now so some people that condition some people day life. Talk not fit solve Nigeria problem. See what happen to Una the Kalu, Abikanu. Person wey full tribe go dey back but see say government see they crap am go lock am up. See the problem of Nigeria. You are not safe. You not get right to complain about the fact that you not dey safe. Then the government not fit protect you. Person carry gun dey pursue you. You not fit carry gun pursue the person back. And you not get right to talk about the person wey dey pursue you. If not, the same government go carry you, go lock you up. Wetin I wan talk una they cannot never talk before. That man said everything. Even when Tinubu never become president, the man don't talk about before. That might be like prophet. He talk about before say the plan of Nigeria now after Buhari, Tinubu go rule Nigeria. This man talk all these things before. Go watch your old videos. Where he land them. He land for place where be say the same people will even fight for, not even defend them again. Make I talk. You go talk, TikTok. You go talk. Not fit solve Nigeria problem. Social media post. If you like, the video talk about Nigeria. You not get waiting the video want talk for social media. You visit that those people won't fight for you. Come on your mind from there now. No say you not get country again. You the pressure on that person may go talk about Nigeria problem. Whereas the same you, I will go check your page, your recent post. Now you are a woman, you carry woman, come on go to the shop talking for more. When I feel someone wise for Nigeria, be the amount of anger where they inside me now, not even make this video because I even come online. Sometimes I go come online, we all go offline because the amount of babas will go on for this country too much. And if I use the anger where they inside me to talk about the things where they go on for this country, if people land me for places we are not plan for, and if you land me for that place, you cannot fight for me. Understand all these things. Because people don't pass through that way before, it not end up well for them. And that fear the government they create in the hearts of in the minds of the people. Una the Calway full tribe, more than how many states, up to 6 states, they this man back. People will love him. But still yes, you see what they do. You not get what you want to talk now. The banditry, the insecurity, even Tinubu becoming the president of Nigeria after Buhari. That I never even planned election. The man said all these things that time. Even when they never happened, those things are happening now. But you see what they use the IC. Then you want to put me in that same spot. I don't love Nigeria past my life. I love Nigeria. No, I don't love Nigeria. Me, I love my life. If you get the opportunity to leave this country, you can afford it. Do more. Now you know. If they find one talk for you, talk. If you talk, it's not bad. It's from doing what they want to. The problem of Nigeria is very, very simple. The president and the present government, they are not capable to handle the problem of the country. They're not fit solver. It's very, very obvious.